tennis basic skills and grip demonstration. I am Tonala Ihir Diaz.
I am Jamaica Gonzalez.
And I'm Shane RGB.
I am Julius Galdo.
Iba, hindi kayo sa klaro.
We're discussing about the forehand drive. So, forehand drive is a primary of offensive stroke in table tennis that used to set up attacking positions and force stroke. So first in the forehand, so we make a stance. Like this stance. So, stance with your legs slightly more than your shoulder. So, like this. Next is back swing. So this one is how you swing. This is back swing. So back swing is pivot your hip and shoulder in the back swing. So when you swing like this. So next is power. Power is when you swing hard the paddle so that the ball is so that you can hit the ball hard. So
Relax lang in here. Okay.
the next is the power. So power is we are just thinking about the forehand drive. So forehand drive is a primarily offensive stroke in table tennis that used to set up attacking position and force stroke. So first step is how you stance like this stance. Next is backswing, and backswing is how you swing the paddle. So you can hit the ball, and next is the power. Power is the primarily that the table tennis we are.
Backhand push. The proper execution of backhand push is first you need to ready yourself. Then hit the ball with your paddle high. Then keep your elbow very steady. Very steady. Like this. And then if you need to step forward, you do like this. Then keep your arm open with your paddle.
I'm going to demonstrate the forehand push. So, first thing to do is to lean and keep your body forward and lower. Then, we're gonna tilt your right hand and keep it open.